If your home has weak water flow when multiple fixtures are running, and you think the cause is low water pressures, there's a good chance that you're misunderstanding what's actually happening. Because if it really were low pressure, the water would feel weak all the time, no matter how many fixtures are being used. In real homes, nothing is actually broken. No leaks, no clogs, no warning signs. Early in the morning, you turn on one faucet, the water feels fine, take a shower by yourself. No problem. But when someone else starts showering, or the washing machine kicks on, or multiple fixtures run at the same times, the water starts to feel weaker. And this part matters because it's not weak immediately. It's not weak all the time. And it's not weak everywhere at once. What most people immediately blame, low city water pressures, old pipes, or the need for a stronger pump. Even contractors often say the same thing. And honestly, it sounds reasonable. Because when water feels weak, we naturally assume it's a pressure problem. But in most real homes, that's not the root cause. In this video, I'll show you what actually controls how strong your water feels and how to avoid spending money fixing the wrong thing. In any plumbing system, components don't work in isolations. They share the same source, use the same pathways, and operate under the same limits. When demand increases, the system doesn't fail immediately. It simply begins to show its limits. So here's the key principle. A system that was built to work is not the same as a system that was designed to work well long term. Under light demand, both systems look identical, but when demand increases, the difference becomes obvious. For just make it work, pipe size that are barely sufficient, branches added wherever is convenient, extra bends to save time, as long as water comes out, it's considered fine. So at first, it's cheaper, it's faster, nobody complains. But for the good design, there accounts for shared demands, they accounts for future use, they keeps flow paths simple, they leaves margin for higher load. So it may cost slightly more upfront, but the system isn't constantly operating under stress. If the problem were truly low water pressures, you would see it all the time immediately, even when only one fixture is running. But what you're actually seeing is weakness only under load, gradual change, not instant failure, recovery when demand drops. That difference is the system's fingerprint. Low pressure problems create constant, predictable symptoms. Design limit problems create conditional, load-based symptoms. Well, the problem with just make it work systems is they don't fail clearly. They don't trigger alarms. They don't point to a single broken part. Instead, they make the homeowner adjust the habit, accept the inconvenience, and assume it's normal. When in reality, the system is being pushed near its limit every day. This situation doesn't behave like a pressure problem. It behaves much more like a system that was built to barely meet demand, not one that was designed to handle shared use comfortably. The important thing isn't replacing fixtures or installing a stronger pump or upgrading a random components. It's understanding how the system actually works before spending money trying to fix it. Don't rush towards solutions when the real limitations is the original design. When a problem only appears under certain conditions, the cause is usually not a failure, but a system that has reached its design limit.